How to upload CapCut videos to YouTube PC. Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Without any further delay, let us get started. So first of all, let's go ahead and open up our CapCut. Now from here, you have to import a project, and once you're done editing, you can click on to export on your top right. Also make sure the name or the location where your file is saved. Once you do so, name it whatever that you would like. I'm going to name it Final. Then click on to export. Now, once this video has been uploaded in your File Explorer, let's go ahead and open up our YouTube Studio. At the top search bar, type in youtube.com, click onto your initial, then go on to YouTube Studio. It will direct you to your YouTube Studio. Now on your right hand side, you will see Create button. Simply click on to Create, then click on Upload Videos. Click on Select Files. Here, select the video. Also make sure to know your location where you have saved your CapCut videos. Now this is the file name that I have given. Select it and click Open. As YouTube processes your video, give it any title that you would like to have as your YouTube title. You can also write in your description here. And once done, you have to go on to Video Elements. Then you have to check the copyright issue and visibility. Once you do all that, you can click on to Next, and that way you will be able to upload your videos to YouTube. That's all for today. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. If it had helped you in any ways, then do like and subscribe.